tutorial, I just want to give a quick example of if you, I assume you're not going to be able to watch the tutorial in one sitting. So at some point you'll have to close your computer down. You may even close down the screens that you're working in. So how would you get everything back up and running real quickly? And that's what that run.sh command does. So just a quick example of that. So I'll open up my terminal, I'll cd into, I'm putting everything in sites, and we start making this cooker example. So I'll cd in there and then just run the run.sh and do /run.sh, press enter, and that will run all those terminals, and it should bring up VS Code again, and it should bring up your web browser again, and so you're back up where you last left off. So just a quick example of that in case you need that, and we'll get back to the tutorials.